Protection of life and property from fire and security risks in large buildings is a complex issue with many parts to be considered. Facilities managers work hard to keep everything together and make sure all systems are working correctly and compliance is achieved. Except sometimes that's easier said than done. With engineers from different companies with different skills all trying to do things their way, things become difficult to manage and coordinate. This creates a work environment that's more dangerous and challenging than it should be. Enter Senseco. As an industry-leading independent fire and security specialist, Senseco is proud to be serving across the UK, focused on technical competence, compliance and delivering customer service. Senseco makes it easy to ensure the safety of the building and the people inside it without all the complications. By providing a main single point of contact and an account manager, Senseco connects everything from fire safety to suppression and security. A streamlined workflow is established with all the engineers working together, linking systems with end-to-end testing, ensuring the interaction of the various systems work correctly, which can't be achieved with multiple providers, and using the same cloud-based software. And when everything starts working seamlessly, it's easier to stay compliant and create detailed, accurate reports. Life safety doesn't have to be so complicated. Let Senseco save you time, energy, frustrations and more with everything integrated as one. Plus, Senseco is proud to be the UK's first carbon-neutral fire and security company. Senseco, protecting your people, property and planet.